Hello, welcome to this video. In this video, we will learn about the Remote Trade Copier. This Remote Trade Copier has been developed for cross-platform copy trading. With the help of the Trade Copier, we can copy trades across platforms from MetaTrader 4 to MetaTrader 5 and from MetaTrader 5 to MetaTrader 4. We will install this software in the same way we install any Windows software. As soon as the software is installed, we do not have to click on Finish immediately. First, we need to untick the checkbox for Launch MetaTrader Remote Copier. After that, we will click on Finish. You can see that our software has been successfully installed. Now, if we want to start the software for the first time, we first right-click and then click on Run as Administrator. This needs to be done only the first time. After starting this software, we should not close it. If you close it, the trade copying will stop. As soon as the software starts, your system's browser will open automatically. Here you can see that this website is open in the browser. If this is on a normal computer, it will work like a local trade copier. The IP address on which this website is open will not be accessible on a mobile phone. However, if you install this software on a VPS server, you can open this IP address on any browser from your mobile phone as well. Here, we will paste the product key that you received after purchasing the software from the website. After this, we will click on the Activate button. See, our software has been activated. Here, you can see how many accounts you have added. This will be shown here. This will show how many accounts are currently active, and this will show how many accounts are inactive. Here, you will see the license status of the software. Now, first of all, we need to add a master account. In the master account, we can add an account from any MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5 platform. First, we will add the name of the master account. Now, we will add the account number. This will be the account from which trades will be copied to other accounts. Now, we need to add a password. You can add any password here. This password will be required when we attach the EA to the chart. After filling in all the details, now click on Save Account. You can see the master account has been successfully added. Now, we click on Slave Accounts. Here, we can see that no slave accounts are currently added because we haven't added any accounts yet. To add an account, we need to click on Add Slave Account. Here, we need to add the account to which you want to copy trades from the master account. First, we need to enter the name of the other person. Then, we need to add their account number. This can be any MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5 account. Then, we select the start date and end date. For the date range you have selected, copying will only happen in that account until those days. After the date range ends, copying will stop. Then, we click on the Save button. Here, you can see the account we added is visible here. Here, you can see an on-off button. With the help of this button, you can fully control the account. Trades will only be copied to the account when the button is on. Then, you have an Edit button here. If you need to make any changes to the added account, you can do it from here. You can change the account number, start date, end date, and name. You can see that the account number we edited has been successfully edited. Now, we move to the MQL files. Here, we will find the files that we need to install in MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. With the help of these files, we can copy trades. As soon as we click the Download button, our files will be downloaded. The downloaded file will be found in the Downloads folder. This is a zip file. Double-click to open this zip file. Here, we see 4 files. We will copy all 4 of these files. Then we will paste these copied files into a new folder created on the desktop. You can see that we have all the source files available. We should not give these files to anyone. We only need to give the .ex4 file, which is for MetaTrader 4, and the .mql5 file, which is for MetaTrader 5, to the other person. To obtain these files, to generate the .ex4 file for MetaTrader 4, we need to double-click on the master sender source file for MetaTrader 4. This source file will open in MetaEditor. Then we need to click on the Compile button. As soon as you click on the Compile button, the .ex4 file will be generated. Here, you can see our ex4 file has been generated. Now, we need to close MetaEditor from here. Now, double-click on the slave receiver source file for MetaTrader 4. Then, following the same process, click on the Compile button. You can see here that the ex4 file for the slave receiver has been generated. After that, close MetaEditor again. Now, double-click on the master sender source file for MetaTrader 5. This file will open in MetaEditor. Here also, we need to follow the same process. Click the Compile button, and our .mql5 program file will be generated. Here, you can see that the master sender program file for MetaTrader 5 has been created. Now, we will close it from here. Now, we will double-click on the slave receiver for MetaTrader 5, and then we will click on the Compile button to generate the .mql5 program file. You can see here that we have the slave receiver program file. Now you can see here that we have a total of 8 files. Out of these, 4 are source files, and 4 are the files that we need to give to the client and also use in the master account. Now, if we want to use MetaTrader 4 as the master, we need to use the master sender file of MetaTrader 4. If we want to use MetaTrader 5 as the master, we need to use the master sender file of MetaTrader 5. Now let's try using MetaTrader 4 as the master. For that, we need to select and copy the master sender file of MetaTrader 4. After copying, we will open MetaTrader 4. Then we will click on the File option. Then we will click on the Open Data Folder option. Then we will double-click on the MQL4 folder to open it. Then in that folder, we will double-click on the Experts folder to open it. Then here, we will paste the copied file. Then we go to the navigator, and there we right-click on the Expert Advisors option and click on the Refresh option. You can see our master sender file is showing here. Now let's try to attach this file to the chart. You can see it's not attaching, and we are getting an error that says, "Please allow DLL imports." We need to add this DLL from here. Now, we go to Inputs and copy this server DLL link. After that, click on Cancel. Now we will click on Tools, then click on Options. We click on Expert Advisors. Then we need to tick all the Allow checkboxes. Then we click on Add New URL. Then we paste the copied link here. Then we click OK. Again, we drag the robot to the chart, and this time we copy the DLL link of the other server. Then again, we click on Tools, then click on the Expert Advisors option, and then click on Add New URL. After that, we paste the copied DLL link here. Now again, attach the robot to the chart. Now in Server Password, we need to enter the password that we set while adding the master account. Now, we need to add a magic number. You can put any number here. Now, here is the slave order type option. If we double-click on it, you will see 2 options, same order type and opposite order type. If you select same order type, whatever trade you place will also be placed in the other account. If you select opposite order type, if you place a buy trade, a sell trade will be placed in the other account. Now let's check the other option. Here is the time setting option. If you want to copy trades within a specific time slot, you can set it here. Here, you have the option of yes or no in check time. This will only work if you select yes. If you select no, this time option will not work. Here, we have the start time and end time options. You can set the starting time and ending time here. Now we press the OK button and try to attach the robot to the chart. You can see we are getting an error. Master account is not allowed, because we have not added this account number on our website's master account page. Now first we will add this account number. Then we click on Save Account. Then we go back to MetaTrader 4. Again, we try to attach the EA to the chart. Now we will enter the password here. After that, we will click on OK. You can see our EA has been successfully attached to the chart. Our master sender is ready. Now we will install the signal receiver EA in MetaTrader 5. From here, we will copy the signal receiver file of MetaTrader 5. After this, we will open MetaTrader 5. Then we will click on the File option. Then click on Open Data Folder. Then open the folder named MQL5. Then open the Experts folder in it. Then we paste the file that we copied here. Then we go to Expert Advisors and then right-click here and click on Refresh. Now, you can see our receiver file is visible here. Now we will attach this EA to the chart. Then, we go to Inputs and following the same process, first copy the first server DLL link. Then click on Cancel. Then click on Tools, then click on Options, then click on Expert Advisors, then click on Add New URL and paste the copied server DLL link here, and then click OK. After this, attach the EA to the chart again, and this time, copy the second server DLL link. Then, repeating the same process, paste the copied link. Now again, we attach the EA to the chart. Then, go to Common and click on Allow Algo Trading. Then, go to Inputs. The first option here is Slippage. You can set the slippage as much as you want. Then, there is the magic number. You can change the magic number if you want. With the magic number, you can find out which trades the signal receiver EA has placed and when. Then, you have the lot type option. Here, you get 4 options. The first option is same as master. In this option, whatever trades are placed in the master account, the same trades will be placed in your receiver account. Then, the second option is fixed lot size. Whatever lot size you enter here, trades of that lot size will be placed in your account. Then comes multiply from master. Whatever trade is placed in the master account will be multiplied by the multiplier you have entered here, and a trade of that size will be placed in your receiver account. Then comes increase from master lot. Whatever trade is placed in the master account, the lot size you have entered will be added to it, and then the trade will be placed in the receiver account. Now, we click on OK. You can see an alert has appeared. It says, this account isn't allowed for copy a trade. This alert has appeared because we have not yet added this receiver's account number on the website in the slave account section. Now, we will add this account number in slave accounts. You can see we have added the account number. Now, when we attach the EA to the chart, there will be no error. Now let's try the on-off button. Now, we will turn it off. You can see that as soon as we turned it off, trade copying has stopped, and we are seeing an alert here. This account isn't allowed for copy a trade. Now we turn it on from here. Then we go back and attach the EA to the chart again. You can see our EA has been successfully attached to the chart. It has been perfectly installed here. Now, let's try placing a trade. You can see this is the master account. You can identify it by the name of the EA on the chart where we have applied it. We must not close this chart. If the chart is closed, trades will not be copied. So first, let's try placing a trade on gold. We have the EA attached to the chart, so let's open another chart and place a trade there. You can see we have placed a sell order, and you can also see that a trade has been placed in the receiver's MetaTrader at the same time. Now, as soon as we place a buy trade, it will also be copied to the receiver's MetaTrader at the same time. If you want to check, you can see the master account's ticket number in the comments. You can match it. Now, we will change the slave order type in the master sender. Now, we will select opposite order type. You can see we have changed and saved the settings. Now, When we place a sell order in the master account, you can see a buy order has been placed in the slave receiver account. If you want to check, you can verify it with the ticket number. Here we saw copy trading happening from MetaTrader 4 to MetaTrader 5. Now we will see copy trading from MetaTrader 5 to MetaTrader 4. First, we will copy the master sender file of MT5. Then we will go to MT5. Then there, we will click on the File option. Then click on Open Data Folder. After that, we will click on the folder named MQL5. Then we will click on Experts, and then here we will paste the file that we copied. You can see we have pasted that file here. We will close the window. After that, we will go to the Expert Advisors section and click on the Refresh button. You can see it has been refreshed. Then you can see the file we copied is visible to us here. After this, now we will copy the slave receiver file for MT4. We will copy it in the same way by right-clicking. Then we will open MT4. Then click on the File option. Then click on Open Data Folder. After that, we will click on the folder named MQL4. Then we will click on the folder named Experts, and then right-click and click on Paste. You can see that the MT4 slave receiver file has been pasted here. Now, we will close this window and go to the Expert tab. Here, we right-click and click on Refresh. You can see it has been refreshed. Then, we will bring the master sender EA to the chart and place it. First, we will click on Allow Trading, then click on OK. We are seeing an error. This account is not allowed to copy our trade. We have not added this account in the master yet, so we cannot use this account as the master account. This is our website. We went to the master account option. Then there, we will not change the name, just put this account number here. You can change the password if you want, or it will work even if you don't change it. Then after that, we will click on Save Account. See, our account has been successfully saved. Now we will attach the master sender to the chart. First, we will verify and tick Allow. Then we go to Inputs and check everything. First, we will enter the server password that we added on the website. We will enter the same password here. After this, we will click on OK. See, our master sender has been applied to the chart. So you can see here that our EA is running. Similarly, we will also attach the slave receiver to the chart. We will go to Inputs, verify everything, go to Common, and see if Allow is ticked. After this, we will click on OK. We will pay special attention to the fact that the server DLL links are already pasted. You can see that as soon as we clicked OK, this account is not allowed, is appearing because we have not yet added this slave account in the slave account section on the website. Until we add it there, we cannot copy. As soon as we add the account number here, it can be copied. You can see the account has been successfully updated. Now, as soon as we attach the robot to the chart, we will verify everything once again. You can see that our EA has now been successfully attached to the chart. Now, as soon as we place a buy or sell trade in the master sender EA, the same trade will be copied to the slave. You can see we placed a sell trade in the master, and a sell trade has also been placed in the slave. Secondly, we placed a buy trade, and a buy trade has also been placed in the slave at the same time. We placed another sell trade, and a sell trade has also been placed in the slave. As soon as I close the trade from here, the trade will also be closed in our slave account at the same time. Now let's move to the DLL links. So you can see here that the DLL links given here are the same DLL links that are in your EA. These two are the same. If these DLL links are different, there will be a problem. These two should be the same. You can also copy from here and go to the options and paste them there. Or you can go to Tools, then Options, then Expert Advisors, and paste the same links there. Now let's move to TOTP. So this is installed on our local machine, so all the pages are open for us. There are no restrictions on any page. But if we install this software on a server, when we use this IP on a mobile phone, a page like this will open for mobile use. Until we enter the TOTP there, it will not allow us. To use TOTP, you can scan this QR code or enter this key in Google Authenticator or any authenticator app. After that, you can use the key you get every 30 seconds to log in. Then, you can also use the website on your mobile. If you feel that your key has been leaked, you can also change the TOTP by clicking on Change TOTP. Then comes our Change PC. So let's go to Change PC. Change PC is useful for us when we want to install the software on a PC other than this one. First, we have to do Change PC, and then we will install the software on the other PC. Then we will be able to use this software on the other PC because there is a restriction of installing one software on only one PC. You can see here that no page will be accessible after doing Change PC. Then, when you enter the product key again and click on Activate, this software will start running again. Thank you.